All right, let's take a close look at the Whitestone Dome Glass protector on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Look at the sides there. Look how perfect it goes right along the sides, but doesn't interfere with the iBlaze and armor box at all. I've taken the armor box off of the phone with the glass still attached. Haven't had any issues of pop-up around the side. Take a look at the camera lens right there. You see that? It's not covering up the camera. Do not get a glass protector that covers the camera, otherwise you will get a halo when you're filming in the sun. Highly recommend this one. And I've had this type of the Whitestone Dome glass protector on the iBlaze and armor boxes for many years with all my other Galaxy phones. Love it. Would not put anything else on the phone to protect it. I've dropped the phone quite a few times in the past. What will happen is sometimes the side will pop up, or maybe there'll be a little tiny crack, but that's doing its job. And then you just go ahead and install the other one. Remember, the Whitestone Dome comes with 2 of these, and so I think that'll set you up for a whole year. You know, it depends on how much times you drop your phone, but for me, I usually it's about 1 drop per year. And otherwise, sometimes it even drops, doesn't do anything at all, won't pop up, and just like, wow, you know, there's no damage whatsoever. This is a really high quality glass, very smooth to the touch, can barely even tell it's on there, have no issue with the fingerprint reader, and easy to clean. So I'm just so loving it. This is that iBlaze and armor box. It has that MagSafe right here, kickstand right here. Nice beautiful kickstand, nice big bumpers, beefy bumpers around the side, non-slip grip. The buttons are so easy to push on this, just feels rugged. So I'm loving it. Bye.